I became an income specialist because of what I saw with my mother, and more specifically, my grandmother. My grandmother came to this country in the early 1900s, and she was widowed at a very young age. And there weren't protections back then, so she struggled to survive and ultimately didn't have the income she needed in retirement. So when I was deciding how I wanted to help people as a financial advisor, the choice was easy. Helping people generate income in retirement so that they can live that retirement of ease rather than a retirement of worry just made sense. Having a good retirement plan means you're probably not set up right for retirement, because anytime someone uses the word plan, it means there's a chance of failure. And retirement should really be about knowing that you're generating the income, not just for what you need, but for what you want.